Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we look under the hood of corporate giants and find out if they are truly delivering the goods or just selling a shiny dream. Today we are diving into a report from the Mexico Fund, incorporated to see what is really going on with their investments. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. So we are looking at the latest update from November of 2025. This is a routine report, but these routine updates are often where the real story of a company's performance unfolds through the numbers. This company, the Mexico Fund Incorporated, is essentially investing in businesses located in Mexico, aiming to generate returns for its shareholders. Think of them as a guided tour through the Mexican market for your money. Their main way of raising money and for investors to participate is through common stock, which you can trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol MXF. Now, the meat of this particular filing from a disclosure standpoint comes in item 7.01. This is where they are sharing what is called a monthly summary report from their investment advisor. Essentially, it is a progress report on how the fund is doing. And critically, they are filing this monthly summary report as an exhibit. This is what we really want to dig into. This report is from November 2025, so let's break down what this advisor is telling us about how the Mexico Fund is performing. While we cannot see the actual summary report content here in this filing, we know this is where the key performance indicators for investment funds are typically detailed. We can infer that it will contain information about the fund's holdings, its recent performance returns, and any significant changes or outlook the investment advisor has for the Mexican market. When an investment fund releases a monthly summary, it is their way of showing investors the very latest on their investment's value and the strategy moving forward. Typically, these reports highlight how much the fund's assets have grown or shrunk over the past month, and often they'll compare this to a benchmark index to show how they are doing relative to the broader market. For a fund focused on Mexico, this would include insights into how the Mexican stock market itself has performed, how the fund's specific company holdings have fared, and any news or economic data from Mexico that might be affecting the investments. It's a snapshot designed to keep investors informed about the fund's health and investment decisions. The fund's common stock is registered and traded on the New York Stock Exchange. This means it is subject to the rules and regulations of the SEC, the US Securities and Exchange Commission. And looking at the signature, we see it is signed by Tofi Dayan, who serves as the treasurer. This confirms the official filing on behalf of the Mexico Fund Incorporated. Now, looking at these results more broadly, the Mexico Fund Incorporated, like many investment vehicles, is subject to the ups and downs of the market it operates in. A monthly summary report would typically highlight if the fund is outperforming or underperforming its target index, which for this fund would likely be a key Mexican stock market index. If the report showed positive returns, that would indicate their selected investments in Mexico are doing well, perhaps due to strong economic performance in Mexico's successful company, specific news, or effective investment strategies employed by the advisor. Conversely, if the report signaled negative returns, it would suggest challenges in the Mexican market, or perhaps that the fund's specific holdings have not performed as expected. Investors would be looking closely at any commentary in the report about risks and opportunities within the Mexican economy, such as political stability, currency fluctuations, or sector-specific growth trends. The advisor's insights into these macro factors are crucial for understanding the fund's past performance and its future prospects. Any mention of changes in holdings, like buying or selling significant stakes in certain companies, would also be a key point of interest, as this signals a shift in the advisor's view of the market or specific companies. The overall direction is dictated by the manager's strategy and the broader economic environment. Alright, that is our quick dive into this filing from the Mexico Fund Incorporated. While we didn't see the specific numbers from their monthly report, we understand its purpose to give investors a clear, up-to-date picture of how their money is performing in the Mexican market. Ultimately, the health of this fund hinges on the performance of the Mexican economy and the smart choices made by its investment advisor. What is your take on investing in emerging markets like Mexico? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this quick breakdown was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.